Hi, I'm Dr. Cameron, and this is how you make a giant Story Doctor pencil. First, you'll need a cardboard tube. You can find these at post shops or inside rolls of bubble wrap. Next, you'll need an empty tin to attach the eraser to the end of your pencil. Too big, too small, just right. Remember to eat the food first. For the eraser, you can use a plastic container or another tin. The tip of the pencil is a polystyrene cone. You can buy these at craft shops and discount stores. Jackpot. If you want to make a smaller pencil, use cardboard from inside a roll of wrapping paper and a smaller tin and cone. Stick everything together using a hot glue gun or masking tape. Paint your pencil using acrylic colours. Light brown for the wood. A bright colour like red for the pencil. Add triangles to show the pencil has been sharpened. Pink for the eraser. And finally black for the lead. There you have it. A giant pencil for a giant imagination. Oh, and giant pencils are awesome for air guitar.